The Internet of Things, or IoT in short, is about extending the power of the Internet beyond computers and smartphones to a complete range of other things, processes, and environment. The Internet of Things is becoming a new trending technology both in the workplace and outside it. All the things are now inbuilt with Wi Fi connectivity so that they can be connected to the internet or with each other. So we can say that the IoT is the future and it has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars, and many more to be connected and to exchange the data over the internet. As a client, we are already using the benefits of IoT. For example, we can lock the door remotely if we forget, or we can preheat the oven on the way from the office. So we can say that IoT provides better safety, efficiency, and decision making for business as data is collected and analyzed. So what is Internet of Things? It's a system of interconnecting computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, object, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers, and it can transfer data over the network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Or, in simple words, we can say that this is the concept of connecting any devices with an on and off switch to the internet. This includes everything, even mobile phone, coffee maker, lamp, fan, headphones, etc. It even includes components of machines also. For example, the engine of an airplane. So, if the things that have on off switch, then it can be a part of IoT. Let's explain the working of the IoT. The basic element of the IoT are devices that gather data. As they are internet connected devices, each has an IP address. These can be simple sensor that monitor the temperature in the building or personal devices like fitness trackers that monitor the number of steps individuals take each day. If we want to use the data usefully, then it does need to be collected, processed, filtered, and analyzed. IoT devices share the sensor data that they collected by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge device where data is either sent to the cloud to be analyzed or analyzed locally. These devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. Most of the work is done by the devices without human interaction. People can interact with the device to set them up and give instruction or access the data. So we can say that the main steps in IoT working are: the IoT devices gather data and send it through the internet for processing. The data is analyzed centrally. Instructions based on the analysis are returned to the devices. Let's discuss about the benefit of IoT. The Internet of Things offers several benefits to organization. Some benefits are industry specific while some are applicable across multiple industries. Some of the common benefits are: it saves money and time, make better business decisions, improve the customer experience, monitor the complete business processes, enhance employees' productivity, generate more income. IoT extends to every industry including health, finance, and manufacturing, etc. This inspires the company to rethink the way they approach their businesses and help them in improving their business strategies. Some of the advantages of IoT are: it reduces human intervention, we can access information from anywhere at any time on any devices, communication between the electronic devices can be improved, the quality of the business services can be improved by automated tasks. Some of the disadvantages of IoT are: if there is a bug in the system, then every connected device will be corrupted. When the number of connected devices increases, more information is shared between devices, then the chance of a hacker could steal confidential information also increases. An organization may have millions of IoT devices, then collecting and managing the data from all those devices will be a challenging. Hence, we can say that Internet of Things means taking all the things in the world and connecting them to Internet. And it is one of the most important technologies of everyday's life. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.